Good morning. I welcome us back to this class. For the second day, the focus will be on the mission in the Old Testament. But before I continue, let me refer us to the 9th day. On the 9th day, you are expected to review an article. You will see it on the course outline. A missionary strategy in 1 Corinthians 9:19 to 23, written by Sandness, pages 128 to 142. So if it is possible, we may start working on that. But if it's not possible until that day, that we are going to, do the review. So today, the focus is on the mission in the Old Testament. In the Old Testament, we can also find Missio Dei. We can find God's mission in the Old Testament. We can also find how God involved people to participate in mission. We also have many passages that talk about mission in the Old Testament. So I would like that you read my notes for the second day, and you read the text assigned for today, which is Isaiah pages 15 to 39. So the focus is on God's mission in the Old Testament. If you look at the covenant of God with Noah, you can find mission there. God's intention is not to destroy the whole world again. Then when you look at Abraham, God called him to participate in the mission. Through Abraham, God will raise up a nation through whom God will bless the whole world. And one person in that nation, who will be the Messiah, will come out from that nation to redeem the whole world. And in the Old Testament, mission is categorized into two. Some call one centripetal mission. What does centripetal mission mean? It means an attractive force, a coming towards Jerusalem to join the people of God. People will come to Jerusalem to worship God. Another type is centrifugal, which has to do with expansive force, beginning at Jerusalem and a going out, being sent unto all nations. So we have these two types. So I would love that you read, the meaning of these two types of mission. We have many passages in the Psalms, in Isaiah, that talk about mission. And we have many individuals like Jonah, like Esther, like that slave girl, that was with Naaman, that participated in mission. So I want to employ us to read more about mission in the Old Testament. Thank you, because I believe that you will read, and God will bless us in Jesus' name.